Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting new gifts to share with you. Valentine's Day is coming up very soon, so I have some really cool limited edition Valentine's Day gift sets. And then if you celebrate Lunar New Year, that's coming up on February 10. A lot of brands have been giving out the red envelopes. I share a lot of those promo codes and stuff on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there at A Heated Mess. In addition to the red envelopes, a lot of the luxury brands offer these VIP Lunar New Year gifts to their clients. And I have a couple that I wanted to share with you, including a really cool one from Fendi. And I have an exciting new jewelry unboxing from Cartier. Starting out with Dior, I have partnered with Dior Beauty once again for part of this video. Dior very generously sent me some of their Valentine's Day gift sets, which is perfect timing because I'm actually going to visit my mom soon. And so I'm so excited to bring this to her. But they are all very beautifully packaged in these limited edition floral Valentine's Day gift boxes. So it'll either come in this, like their standard size gift box, or depending on what you order, they have the smaller one also. Now they have a few different options depending on your preference of fragrance, and they have a couple different options for men's fragrance sets. So I'll share with you the gift sets that I ended up picking and then also the other options that are available. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, so you can click the links to shop. And they also have some great Valentine's Day promos going on. From now until February 16, if you click the links below and place a Dior Beauty purchase of $175 or more, not only will it be wrapped beautifully in this very pretty floral gift box, but you'll also receive a Dior Half Moon pouch, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and Rouge Dior miniatures. And until February 29, I have an exclusive promo code for you. If you use the code DIORMGC with any $125 purchase, you'll also receive an additional complimentary gift from Dior Beauty. And that promo code stacks with any other gifts that automatically add to your order with your Dior purchase. And as an added bonus, Dior is offering complimentary 2-day shipping with any $100 order or overnight shipping with a $150 order. And then just a reminder that with every order over $100, you get these very cool little samples that you can choose at checkout, including a deluxe sample and this little drawstring pouch. I like to use these drawstring pouches to organize my stuff in tote bags. I chose a Dior Prestige Mini, 2 Privé fragrance samples, and then I also got 2 deluxe Privé fragrance samples, including their new one, which I haven't tried yet, but this is their newest Privé fragrance. It's called New Look. It's supposed to be like a very clean, fresh scent. I guess like kind of a gender neutral scent maybe. Oh, that is very fresh, very clean, very like a barber shop scent. This definitely leans very masculine. I also got this super cute, tiny little Dior Addict Maximizer. I love these for little purses. It fits inside a card case. It is so cute and tiny. So this is one of the options with a $100 Dior order, or you can usually pick one of the Privé fragrances. The first gift that I got was for my husband, and I was surprised that it also came in this box. I thought it would come in the navy blue Dior box that they also packaged the holiday gift sets in. So I don't know if they were just like sold out of it, but whatever. He doesn't care about the box anyway. I just thought it was funny that it came in the floral box. But I got him the Sauvage Grooming Duo. This is the first of their limited edition Valentine's Day fragrance ritual gift sets. This comes with 2 products, and so they just were wrapped up inside. The first item in the Sauvage set is the aftershave lotion, and this is how it's packaged. It's called aftershave lotion, but it really looks like their cologne. It's in a glass bottle, and it's, you know, it's a liquid. It's not like a lotion. You have the cap there. It is very heavy duty, like metal cap. And then the opening is just a plain opening. There's no atomizer or spritzer because it's just called a lotion. So I guess you just kind of rub it on your skin after you shave. Sauvage is definitely the most popular Dior fragrance. It's described as a warm, earthy, woody scent with Calabrian bergamot, pepper, and amber musk. And then the second item in this set, also very nicely individually wrapped. You have the Sauvage deodorant stick. So I actually might gift the aftershave lotion to my husband, and then I might gift the deodorant to my son, who is recently a teenager. But you have the Sauvage deodorant stick and a very fancy deodorant. It's got a protective plastic cap on top. I don't want to take the cap off, but it smells exactly like Sauvage, but in deodorant form. These ancillaries are also great to help make your fragrance last longer. So same for women's fragrances. If there is a deodorant or like a hair mist or lotion, I usually will pair those ancillary products with the perfume, and then this way you're not having to spray your perfume all day long. They just last all day when you pair them together. If you're a fan of the Sauvage Elixir, which is kind of a stronger, more intense version of the Dior Sauvage, they also have the Sauvage Fragrance Duo that comes with the Sauvage Elixir and the Sauvage Shower Gel. And then for my mom, also wrapped up in the same Valentine's Day floral gift box, I got her the Dior Beauty Duo. This set comes with the 1 ounce Miss Dior Eau de Parfum, which is great because 1 ounce is the perfect travel size. I don't want to open this one because I want to make sure it's brand new when I gift it to her. But I do have the same exact fragrance in a larger size, the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. It has this very pretty metallic ribbon bow at the top. I've been wearing this fragrance ever since they reformulated it. It's described as a warm floral with notes of lily of the valley, peony, centrifolia rose, and soft musk. I think it's a little sweeter than the original Miss Dior, so I just really like this, and I really like the very pretty packaging. I think this is one of the perfumes that you can get personalized. There are some perfumes where you can get the bow personalized, and also for the men's fragrance, you can opt for the wooden cap and get that personalized with your name or like engraved with your name. And this is a full size of the mini gloss. So here's the little freebie mini size and then the full size gloss. So this came with the gift set. And then because I liked this lip gloss so much and I wanted to try out the other color for myself, I got the new shade Rose Gold. Or I don't know if it's like brand new, but it's new to me. But Lip Maximizer in Rose Gold. And this is like a shimmery finish. And then I have to try this out. So it's this very, look how pretty. I love the packaging. It's on the little doe foot applicator. Oh, nice little lip topper. I just have a lip liner on right now. It's very minty. It smells so fresh and it's very minty and a little bit tingly. Another Valentine's Day gift set they have is the Miss Dior Ritual Trio. If you're a fan of the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, this set comes with the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, which is more of a white floral fragrance flanker of the Miss Dior. That one is almost more of a gourmand, and this is just like a straight up fresh floral. So the Miss Dior Ritual Trio comes with the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet Eau de Toilette, a hair mist, and the Miss Dior Shower Milk. And then they have the Essential Beauty Trio set. If you don't want a fragrance, this one comes with the Dior Addict Lip Glow. That's like the lip balm stick. The Lip Balm Dior Hand Cream. That's one with the Dior Oblique pattern on the front. And then the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. So again, tons of gift options for Valentine's Day. Complimentary shipping, free samples, free gifts with purchase. You can use the code DIORMGC for an additional gift. And everything is already conveniently gift wrapped in the Dior Valentine's Day gift box. But before Valentine's Day is Lunar New Year. So if you celebrate, Dior also offered this very pretty red Lunar New Year gift box. Unfortunately, this isn't available anymore. I first posted when this became available and then it, I think, sold out pretty fast. But I placed an order and I got their Dior red envelopes. So this year, by the way, is the year of the dragon. And here are the envelopes. I don't know if this one has like specifically a dragon. It just looks like a very pretty like gothic Palatian design kind of debossed onto the envelope. So for Lunar New Year, I was very excited that my Fendi sales associate sent me this very pretty, I don't know, VIP gift for Lunar New Year, but it came in the iconic Fendi yellow bag. And I didn't even place a Fendi order. This just showed up. So that just goes to show that if you have a great relationship with your client advisor, a really good one will send you these occasional tokens of appreciation, I guess, as a thank you for shopping with them. Firstly, he included a very thoughtful handwritten card that is just so sweet. And then here we have a box of chocolates. It talks about the 5-sided star. And inside we have a set of gourmet truffles. Very exciting. My kids are always so excited when I get any kind of a edible treat in the mail. So here's the bag. You have this white box. By the way, I posted like an unboxing reel of this, so you might have already seen this, but I'll show you here. But this is it. You have this red box. So the collab between Fendi and Fragment was also with Pokemon, like the cartoon. So this lifts right up with the ribbon, and inside it just pops open and you get a red Fendi fan. And I didn't even notice that on the side there, it has the FF logo. So this opens up like so. It says Fendi in gold on the red background, and then on the back, it's the Fendi Zuka logo. How cool. This is so cute. And then on the side here, you have the envelopes. So there's 4 packets of envelopes, and each packet has, I guess it's all the same character. There was a whole discussion in the comments of the video that I posted trying to explain to me which Pokemon character this is. I only know Pikachu. I don't know, is it like Dragonair or Charizard or something? One of you enlighten me. Wow, look how cute, little dragon. So Year of the Dragon. and a lot of these brands are just running with it. For this collab, Fendi and Fragment did come out with a few different options, t-shirts, a few different bags, and SLGs. I actually didn't pick up anything from the collab, but it sold out super fast. So there are fans out there who love the, you know, cartoon theme. But yeah, everything sold out immediately. A lot of it was already pre-sold. There are a lot of people out there who are fans of this brand. They're fans of Pokemon. They just love the Pokemon theme. But I thought this Lunar New Year gift is so cool. From Fendi. Thank you, Fendi. And then my Cartier sales associate invited me to a private appointment to celebrate Lunar New Year, and I walked away with 2 bags. So I'll show you first the gift. And I did a whole like mini vlog of my trip in store, but she had a whole like room set up in the back for me with tea and some treats. These red envelopes were waiting on the desk back there. So I'll show you this real quick. I love the Cartier envelopes. It usually has the panther, and then, you know, they try to stay on trend with the year. Like I think last year was the rabbit. I don't know if they had a rabbit on the envelope, but anyway. So it has a panther, and I don't think it has the dragon anything, but there's the panther, and then the same set in gold. Oh, and she's so sweet. She also included these coloring books for my 2 younger boys. On the cover there, you have the red boxes, you have the panther, and then inside is just little scenes that they can color. They had one waiting in the private room, and I guess it's, you know, if you are there with your young child, they can draw on the coloring book while you're going through your appointment. So she threw in 2 new ones for my kids. Now, while I was in store, I was able to try out the brand new Cartier Trinity box collection. They came out with a limited collection of Trinity pieces to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the initial launch of the classic Trinity collection. All the new like limited edition Trinity pieces are in this square cushion box shape. I'm still unsure of the official name because when you look it up, it just says Trinity, but on the label it said box. But then when they were describing it, they call it cushion because it's kind of like squared off edges. But I got to try out the whole collection. I loved the bracelet. It was so heavy and so luxe feeling. I'm a huge fan of the Trinity collection. My first Cartier piece was actually the original Trinity small ring. I have a couple of the bracelet. I'm wearing the necklace. I'm wearing the earrings. So I tried on every single piece from the new collection, and I ended up walking away with one of them. But before I show that to you, I also have to show you this because I don't think I've done an actual unboxing for this yet. I got this actually last year, I think, during the Harvest Moon celebration, but keeping in theme with Trinity, it's the Trinity cord bracelet. I got this right before I think I was traveling, so I just almost forgot about it. I just was wearing other pieces. I also have another Trinity bracelet that I got from the Philippines, and that's with the, you know, gold chain. So yeah, the Trinity cord bracelet is probably one of the more affordable pieces of jewelry that Cartier offers. And what's great about this is that you can actually go into the store and switch out the color of the cord depending on the season or holiday or event, or, you know, whatever your preference is. I chose black when I first got it, and I need to start wearing this and start, you know, switching up the colors, especially when spring comes. But it has the same 3 different color gold rings, just like my small model. And then I think there might be a price increase coming up, so I will be sharing all the prices here. But right now the cord bracelet retails for $750. I forget what I paid because again, I got this last year. I don't know if it was before the price increase, but it's $750 now. Again, I tried on all of the new Trinity limited edition cushion box pieces. I tried the necklace first, and I actually was wearing my classic Trinity necklace. I wasn't a huge fan of cushion Trinity necklace because the way it kind of laid, it looked too angular for me. I like how this is round and then you see the diamond and it just kind of faces out. So the new cushion Trinity necklace that I tried on retails currently for $3,450. And then my favorite of all the pieces, but I did not get it because it just was not in the cards at the moment, but it was the bangle, the Trinity cushion bracelet set. It was so stunning. It was so like heavy feeling and luxurious. It had such a satisfying jingle when you wear it, but then like when it lays back down, it's so flattering on the wrist. It might have been a little oversized. I think it comes in like small, medium, large. I don't know if it came in number sizes, but the size that I tried on was a little big, but it looks so cool. That one retails for $18,900. 900. And just for reference, I was curious as to the like grams and how much it weighs. So I asked my Cartier SA the difference with the 2 Trinity bracelets. So the new square cushion Trinity bangle set is 105 grams. Okay, so I guess that's how they justify the 18,900. The like classic Cartier Trinity bracelet that I was also considering, that one is 8,000. I think currently retails for 8,000, and that weighs 37.54 grams. And then I tried on both rings from the limited edition Trinity cushion. The smaller one is the medium model. That was the one that I had on my like middle finger in my try on video, and that retails for 2,170. So that one is more similar in size to the classic small. And then I tried the large model, and it was very heavy, very chunky, almost similar in like statement and size to the bracelet. The large Trinity cushion ring, the new one, retails for 3,850. And I asked her if they were going to be like restocking these or how long it was going to be available, and she appeared to think that they just were sent all these pieces and like that's it. So it's very limited. I mean, it's not going to be available again. If you are interested, go and try it out, check it out, because they won't be like restocking it once it's sold. Because again, it's just to commemorate the 100-year anniversary of the original Trinity. So it will only be available this year. And then when it's gone, it's gone. Here's the cleaning kit that I got with my new jewelry. This is what I ended up getting. I did a whole separate unboxing reel. It was very beautifully wrapped as always in the white gift wrap with the red seal. So obviously I got a ring. This is the ring box. Oh, and she also included my little travel pouches. This one has my name on it. But here is the ring. And I went with the medium model. So I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to focus right now, but the rose gold is the one that has the Cartier written on the top. And then the other colors are very similar, which is what I really like about this. Even though it's a tricolor gold and I love to mix metals, they're very similar in color. See, like you really can't tell. The rose gold isn't super pink. The yellow gold isn't like a very bright, vivid yellow, but that's it. It's so pretty. Also for reference, my small classic Trinity ring is a size 51 and it's a little loose. Like actually, sometimes I'm scared it will slip off my finger, you know, kind of just like rolls along, like if it's cold or something. This one fits a little more snug. So this one I went with a 54. So I can wear this on my first finger, on my right hand, and then it just kind of rolls up, or I can wear it on my first finger of my left hand. And I actually like how this looks, because on my left hand is where I wear my like platinum ring. I have my stainless steel Bulgari watch. So then this mixed Cartier Trinity ring, the new one, kind of ties it all together, because then I have all yellow gold on this right arm, if that makes sense. And I can also wear this on my thumb here. So that's what it looks like on the thumb rings. And then she also explained that depending on how you wear the ring, it can look a little different. So if you wear it with all the flat sides straight up, it looks almost more boxy. But then if you kind of play around with the rings and have the corners facing up and kind of stacked, it almost, see, it looks like a little pyramid. It's very subtle on the smaller model. It's a lot more obvious on the large model, which I didn't get because that one was a little too statement-like for me. That one I'd have to wear like on its own, but I wanted the smaller size specifically to stack and wear with my other rings. So that is my new Cartier Trinity cushion ring in honor of the 100th anniversary of the original classic Trinity. But I just love this. I love the Trinity. That's my favorite collection from Cartier. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some great gift ideas for Valentine's Day. Lots to choose from Dior. Again, you can click my links below to shop and use my promo codes for some extra gifts. But let me know what you plan on gifting for Valentine's Day this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.